so much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Are you excited to draw with me? Yeah, I am too. And today, you and I are gonna draw a fruit. Yeah, not a vegetable, a fruit. Hey, and will you guess what fruit it is? I'll describe it to you. It's a big fruit. It's circular. Yeah, nice and round. It's very heavy. It's green on the outside, but when you cut it open on the inside, what you eat is the color red. Yum! Yeah, it's a watermelon. Not just any watermelon, it's a Cocomelon watermelon. Are you excited? Yeah, let's draw. Okay, first I'm gonna take the color green and draw a big circle. Woohoo! There we go, just like that. Whoa, perfect! And then on the inside, we're gonna draw a square with rounded edges. Yeah, and that's a TV. There we go. Whoa, 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 yeah! And now let's draw some watermelon lines. Whoa, yeah! There we go. Perfect. Whoa, yeah! Wow, now it's looking like a watermelon, right? Okay, I'm gonna take the color black though next, and then I'm gonna draw the top. Yeah, the antennas. Draw a half circle just like that, and then whoop, whoop, whoop. Yeah, there we go. Whoa, small little circles just like that. And then what about for the face right here? Yeah, two big eyes. One circle right there. There we go. Oh, fill it in with the color black. So then this watermelon can see. And there's another one right there. Okay, what are we missing right here? Right here. Yeah? Okay, the nose. Boop. And then a big smile. Whoa! Yeah, that definitely looks like the Cocomelon watermelon. Wow! Did you have fun drawing with me? Yeah, I had fun drawing with you. If you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.